Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious honey glazed chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken, half a cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Don't forget a tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Pat your chicken dry to get it ready for cooking. Now, let's create that irresistible honey glaze. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your half cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Next, stir in the 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and the 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and all the flavors are beautifully blended. This glaze is the heart of our dish. With our glaze ready, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place your chicken pieces in the pan. Sear them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. This initial searing locks in the juices and adds fantastic flavor before we introduce our delicious glaze. To finish, reduce the heat to medium-low and let the chicken simmer in that wonderful glaze for about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to turn the chicken occasionally so every piece gets evenly coated and the glaze thickens and caramelizes beautifully. Once the sauce has reduced and coats the chicken perfectly, it's ready. Serve your mouth-watering honey-glazed chicken immediately with some fluffy rice or fresh steamed vegetables. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.